What are the top reasons for earning a digital marketing certification? Coming up, I will talk about the 5 main reasons why you should get a digital marketing certification. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce and I am a knowledge enthusiast. I have a passion for digital marketing and I love working with digital marketers like you. The mission of this channel is to give you weekly tips and tools to help you kickstart your digital marketing career. Let's discuss the 5 main reasons why you should earn a digital marketing certification. Number 1, you establish your credentials. In today's world, it's not good enough to say you're an excellent digital marketer. Why should recruiters, HR professionals, and hiring managers believe you? To convince them that you are a good fit for the marketing role, it's helpful to have experience and a certification. Employers are looking for well-rounded digital marketing experts who know a wide range of areas under the digital marketing umbrella. Marketing now influences nearly every part of a successful modern business, so a wide range of marketing skills is crucial to your success. A digital marketing certification can help you support your credential, reinforce you have gone through the proper training, you have taken the tests, and you have done the projects needed to earn the certification. A certification will help you grow your knowledge, improve your marketing skills, and give you the tools you need to succeed in job interviews and on the job. Number 2, you broaden your opportunities. To grow within your current job or find a new digital marketing job, it's essential to convince others that you really know digital marketing. A digital marketing certification can help you earn the trust you need, especially when competing against your peers. A certification in a specific digital marketing area that you do not work in every day can communicate your professionalism and your desire to learn more about marketing. Number 3, you deepen your understanding of digital marketing. The digital marketing landscape changes quickly. A certification helps you better understand digital marketing. It helps you learn the skills and the terms beyond just the core parts of digital marketing. You learn terms and tools and tricks like pay-per-click advertising, performance marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization or SEO, social selling, social media, and even influencer marketing. With a certification, you will understand the critical digital marketing terms, you'll learn the best practices, and you'll find out what's next for digital marketing. Specific certification programs for digital marketing, such as Duke University's program, are accredited and approved by an industry association called the Online Marketing Certified Professional. This organization maintains the competency and exam standards for online marketing in coordination with other industry leaders. These programs provide certification verification and credentialing of individual practitioners, agencies, and educational institutions. When you choose a training option that aligns with an accredited certification body, you can rest assured you're receiving a standardized education. When you obtain a structured digital marketing certification, you will learn each of the major areas of digital marketing and how they work in practice. It's essential to understand all the digital marketing domains and how they work together so that you can build an overall digital marketing strategy. Number 4, you increase your professional network. Interacting and learning from intelligent people and experts in their field will help you keep up to date and improve your professional network. A certification is more than just a certification. It's a great way to meet other like-minded people looking to grow their marketing careers and looking for up-and-coming digital marketers like yourself. Career growth is more than just landing a new job or getting a promotion. It's about growing your professional network. A recognized digital marketing certification validates you have achieved proficiency in certain areas of digital marketing, and you can become a valuable part of a modern digital marketing department. Number 5, you stay fresh. With new technologies, new channels, new devices, it is tough to keep up with the latest in digital marketing. For example, how are you answering questions like, how will artificial intelligence impact marketing? What about the adoption of augmented reality? And how will voice search change search? There are many opportunities for digital marketers today. A certification can help you understand how it all works together and know when to implement these new technologies, these new channels, and these new devices. Okay, let's bring it all together. A digital marketing certification is just a piece of paper. What is the value of it lies in what other people think about that certification and how you use that certification in the real world to make it happen in digital marketing. marketing. Thank you for watching. Until next time.